The number one request that I get is how to build an accessible website in one day. That is what this course is all about. I will walk you through start to finish, install of WordPress all the way to publishing live, how to build an accessible website in one day. All of the backend, all of the plugins, all of the tools that I have used regularly and repeatedly to do the same process for tons of websites. With this course, you're going to get 30 days of support. That means weekly office hours and Slack support for those little questions that come up. You'll also get lifetime access to the course content, including any future updates to that course content. During the build process, we'll also walk through how to test the pages that we're building. And as long as you finish building that site within those 30 days of support, you can send a request on Slack to have me actually test it. And I will go through the site that you've built from the course and test it for you. So go ahead and click that button to get the course and get started building your very first accessible website quickly.